And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time pedal show. My name is Gabor, and it's time for some more unboxing. So this was sent to us by the rather awesome Lawrence Petros from LPD Pedals. I'm not quite sure what's in it. Let's open it up. All right, let's check this out. Oh, thank you very much, Gabor. Awesome. Thank you, Lawrence. So I first really sort of started hearing about Lawrence Petros design pedals during 42 Gear Street when I was there. A lot of the guys there, guys like RJ and Steve from Boston and Phil McKnight and all those guys, spoke very, very highly of Lawrence Petros design pedals. And, you know, through RJ, I think, and through RJ's live stream, we started sort of chatting a little bit. And he said a little while ago he was going to send us a care package. Now, you know, then COVID happened and a lot of things happened, and it got a little bit delayed. But now there's a care package, which looks like 3 pedals. Not sure which ones, but we'll find out. So let's have a look. Very nicely packed, tightly packed. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I just clicked something. Oh no, that's all good. I just clicked something on something logic. It's still working? It's still working. Oh, cool. Okay, sorry. I just accidentally clicked on a mouse. Okay, that's that. Now, we have 3 pedals. Ooh, let's go in order. So actually, that direction. So we have the 68, the 74, and the 87. Oh no, I did go the wrong way around. This. So we got the 68 standard, the 74, and the 87 standard. Now, this is unboxing, first impressions, so I'm not even going to look at the manual. I'm not going to tell you what the pedals are because half the time I don't know myself. So I'm just opening up boxes and then I'm just blindly trying it out. There will be full video in each one of these pedals coming up, featuring Alex as well, so not just me. Okay, so let's start off with the 68. Let's go in chronological order. Okay. Let's see what it looks like when you open it. So there's some foam. And then there's what looks like a sticker, which is, I like that. I like the logo. I mean, this one, the LPD. That's a cool logo. I think that's fairly new. I think he just recently changed his whole thing. And then there's feet and some pics. And his card. Focus. There you go. If you want to get in touch with him. Then we have the pedal. Okay, hang on. Let's keep it there while the focus is there. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. And it's the 68. There you go. Cool. 68. We have level, drive, treble, and bass. I think he just kind of recently redid his whole design, and I think it looks really classy and really nice. Okay. First pedal. Let's go next. 74. There we go. Some foam again. Sticker again. Feet, pics, and card again. So let's get that out. This way. Ooh, more knobs, the 74. so this has got high, mid, low, level, presence, and gain. So yeah, so from what all the guys are saying at 42 Gear Street, his pedals are very, very amp-like, and sort of feel a lot like amps and stuff. So I believe, I guess 68, probably like an old, maybe an old Fender style or F style. 74, probably kind of more Marshall style. 87, possibly like a more modded, hot rodded Marshall, like an 800 or something like that style thing. Yeah, but very interested to check him out. So again, we've got foam, we've got sticker, we've got feet and a car. And let's check out the 87. Oh, cool, look, we've got more stuff in this one. We've got a badge. Where is it? There. Hang on. Focus. There you go. We've got a badge. Hang on. Stay in that focus. Now. This way again. Ooh, I like the color. That's like an RJ color. The 87. So on that one we've got high, mid, low, level, presence, gain, and a high, low gain switch. Okay, so like I said, I have no idea exactly what they do. I'm just going to plug all three of them in, turn them on, fiddle with some knobs, and see how we go. Full demo of each pedal coming up. Yeah, so let's do the first impressions. All right, I'm back and I'm all plugged in now. I've got the 68, the 74, and the 87 plugged in. So I'm going from this guitar, my rather lovely Fano Omnis MG6, straight into these pedals, into a tuner, the Peterson Strobo Stomp, which is over there, which is cool, HD. And that then goes into, the Mostronics amp switcher, which goes into the, hiding behind all the guitars down there, the Marshall Origin 50 head. Then that goes into the 2-Notes Torpedo Live. And I'm using, I think this one is the Engel XXL 4x12 cabinet and the Greenback 4x10 cabinet together. There's links for those IRs below, the Celestion Plus, or Celestion Digital, whatever they're called now, IRs. Yes, and it sounds, if I play an E chord, it sounds like this. Okay, let's start with the 68. So everything at about 12 o'clock. Let's see what happens. Don't need to do anything. That sounds awesome. I like that a lot. The EQs are great, they're not too drastic, so it doesn't go crazy trebly. It's really all usable. That's a great, just crunchy, almost clean sound. They are pretty high output pickups, but that is a cool sounding pedal. Let's crank the gain, see how far we can take it. That sounds killer. Let's try that quickly with humbuckers. Let's go humbuckers. What about, let's go this one. This is the a 1978 Greco totally authentic guitar with some fantastic Fishman Fluence classic humbuckers in it. So the guys from Fishman sent me these. Great sounding guitar. And same setting, let's try that out. A bit too much bass for the humbuckers. That sounds great. I like that a lot. 68. All right, there will be, like I said before, there'll be full videos on each one of these pedals. So let's move on to the 74. Again, everything at about 12 o'clock. Let's see what it sounds like with totally not authentic guitar. Once I turn the volume up. That sounds killer. Okay, I don't usually do that sort of stuff, but let's turn the gain down, see how low it goes. So it's similar characteristics to this. Maybe you got, because you got 3-band EQ. That's actually the EQs love it. The mids, doesn't really scoop. It's not like a super active mid thing, but it sits in a nice spot. Cool. All right, crank the gain. And hang on, let's boost the mids a bit for lead. Quickly, let's try that with a different guitar. What about, let's try that actually with the Fano again, with the P90s. I think that would sound really good. Let's see. So the Fano needs a bit more bass and maybe a little less mids. That's a great sound. A lot of gain, but a lot of definition, like when you somewhat slightly dissonant chord. But still a lot of definition. That's killer. Two cool pedals. All right, now I reckon the best looking one. I love that. See, I wonder. So Lawrence, again, looking back to 42 Gear Street, one of the guitars I really loved there was an Ibanez AZ or AZ. I think it was a 2402 in seafoam green. It's sort of that sort of color with the two humbuckers, and I love that guitar. And then Lawrence actually bought one of those. So I wonder if this is sort of that kind of color, or it could be Ron Telio. I'm not sure. From RJ. Okay, anyway, let's see. Everything on 12 o'clock. Let's see what this sounds like. great. They're really dynamic and good sounding pedals. And I mean, this is everything at 12 o'clock, and it sounds killer. Okay, which one's a gain? That's a gain. Let's crank the gain. That sounds great. Okay, how low does it go? See, they all go really low gain. That's great. Not going to play too much of that. Go get copyright strike. The EQ is beautiful. I mean, this is quite a mid-forward guitar. Just roll it back a bit. It's in a nice spot. Sort of, you can just ever so slightly unhonk it. Let's see how far it goes. Killer. All right, and then, ooh, that goes red. Oh, that's a lot of gain. Almost too much gain. You know what? It'd be interesting to see what does this sound like with something like this, which is not. I mean, it's not meant for metal. It's a JMascis Squier, but it's tuned to C standard. Is it in tune? It's close enough. Which without the 87 sounds like this. With that, I reckon. Let's see how it holds the lower tunings. Almost fuzzy with that gain all the way up. I really like. That one almost goes fuzzy, which is kind of cool. they're three great pedals. Probably just first impression, those two are my favorite. I mean, that one's not far behind, but I like those two. Anyway, that's it. That's the 68, the 74, and the 87 by Lawrence Petros Design. Big thank you to Lawrence for sending them out to us. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to get notified when the full videos of those are out. So we're going to do a video for each pedal with Alex, with a whole bunch of different guitars, different sort of playing styles and stuff like that. Maybe even combinations of those pedals, we'll see. I like him. First impression, really cool. Great looking. I love the design. I love the logo. The logo is cool. You know, I think that looks really cool. Great sounding, great feel. I'm digging him. So check out some more Lawrence Petros Design stuff. Yeah, and big thank you once again to Lawrence. Big thank you to the good people at Fano. Did I play a Sire? No, I don't think I played a Sire, but thank you to them anyway. Thank you to the people at Fishman for sending that pickup out. Thank you to Andrew at Mostronics for the amp switcher. Thank you to Peterson Strobostomp HD people. I bought this. I bought the Marshall. I bought the 2 notes. I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, and you hear me through a LEWITT LCT440 pure microphone. Hello, LEWITT people. And I'm using an Audient ID44 interface. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.